Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. We are still in quarantine, but I hope you're all keeping well. I put together a really simple baked custard recipe that only requires 5 basic ingredients: eggs, carnation milk, condensed milk, almond extract, and some nutmeg. So let's get into the recipe and I'll show you how it's done. So the first thing you're going to want to do is crack 3 eggs into a bowl or a pot. It really doesn't matter which one you choose, so long as you're cracking it into something you're then going to be able to whip it in. You're going to whip it until it's nice and fluffy and then transfer it into a blender. You're then going to pour 1 can of carnation milk, 1 can of condensed milk, and 1 teaspoon of almond extract into the blender as well. You're then going to blend all of those ingredients together for about 1 minute. Alright, it looks super creamy, and at this point I'm going to pour it into a ceramic dish and grate some nutmeg on top to give it some nice flavor. Before putting it in the oven, I'm going to cover it with some aluminum foil and place it inside of a baking pan. Now the only reason I'm doing this is because my ceramic dish is quite small, so to help prevent me from burning my hands when taking it out of the oven, I've just placed it inside of a large baking pan so that it's both easier and safer to remove. But you don't have to do this part. I'm going to bake it at 350 degrees for 45 minutes. There you have it, your beautiful, sweet, and very simple baked custard. I'm sure this would be a great addition to any dinner party you might be having in the future, or just a nice treat to have in the fridge for yourself, because to be honest, I ate the majority of this one. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, hit that bell to be notified when I post another video, and subscribe for more content. Happy baking!